resolving AE and E1 error codes on an LG dishwasher. If you are seeing an AE or E1 error code on your LG dishwasher, it indicates a possible leak. This message code is usually the result of an overflow caused by either the unit not being level or the wrong type or amount of detergent being used. First, let's check the leveling. Open the dishwasher and place a level inside the dishwasher against the ceiling. With the unit still open, place a level vertically on the front side of the cabinet. Then lift the lid like you are going to close it, but leave it open a few inches. Make sure that the gap between the door and the tub is equal on both the left and right sides. Next, check to see if the floor of the unit is correctly leveled. To do this, run a normal cycle on the unit. After the initial water fill, check to see if the water is pooling to one side or the other, or if it stays around the center. If the water level is off to either side of the tub, then the unit may not be correctly leveled. If the dishwasher is not leveled correctly, it may leak during operation. Now let's talk about detergent. The dispenser has two marked measures for either liquid or powder dishwasher detergent. If you fill up the entire dispenser, this will cause excessive suds and water to overflow into the base. A float switch in the base will detect this overflow and display the AE or E1 error code. To determine if too much dishwasher detergent is being used, note that the dispenser's 15 line is for soft water conditions or lightly soiled loads. The 25 line is for hard water conditions or heavily soiled loads. And between 15 and 25 is for average or medium water conditions and soil level. Note that using dishwashing liquid instead of dishwasher detergent will result in excessive suds and water flowing into the base. Also, while detergent pods or tablets generally contain the correct amount of detergent, if more than one pod or tablet is used, or the water is soft, then the amount may be too much. To check if water is in the base, unplug the dishwasher and turn off the circuit breaker powering the unit. Then remove the kick plate and check in the bottom middle of the dishwasher to see if the base is accessible. If it is, use a paper towel or hand towel to soak up the water. If too much detergent is used, but there is no water in the base, the water may have already evaporated. If the base is not visible or accessible from the front, leave the kick plate off for 24 to 48 hours to accelerate evaporation. Once the water is soaked up or enough time has passed for it to evaporate, turn on the circuit breaker, plug the dishwasher back in, and power it back on. This will reset the dishwasher. Then run an empty cycle to clean it out. If the error code occurs again, the unit will need to be serviced. Lastly, if the unit is level and the proper amount of detergent is used, but the error code continues to display, service may be required. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.